Refreshment Day, but when I did find out that it was, I was like, hey, let's celebrate the day, right? So we're going to make a delicious and of course refreshing iced coffee drink. This is going to require some of our LifeBoost cold brew. This is our Biotics brew that I whipped up. I did let that brew for the 24 hours, so you will need to prepare that ahead of time. You're also going to need some of your favorite orange juice, a couple of lemons, and a ton of ice. This is going to be super simple. All you need is 1 cup of that cold brew, and you don't have to do the Biotics brew, of course. You can do any cold brew that you prefer, but you'll need 1 cup of that. You're just going to pour that right into that ice. We're going to need 1/2 of a cup of your favorite orange juice. I know this is completely different than anything that we have made before, but I'm super excited about it. So there's that 1/2 cup of orange juice. We're gonna just pour that right in. And then we're going to just juice a couple of lemons. So you'll want around 1/3 of a cup of lemon juice, but it's kind of up to you. I'm just gonna do it right in here. That way when the seeds come out, I can get those out. But yes, you will want fresh lemon juice for this. I think we're gonna get almost what we need, probably from 1 whole lemon. So let me squeeze these up for you. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and use 2 lemons for this. Okay, I did squeeze 2 of the lemons. I did reserve 1 slice just for decoration on our glass. And I'm just gonna strain this because I did this the faster way and just squeeze it with my hands. If you have a little juicer, go ahead and use that, obviously. But I'm just doing this real quick just to show you. Get all those seeds out, get this nice fresh lemon juice in here. Like, who would have thought? Citrus juices and cold brew. But it's gonna be amazing. And of course, we don't need any additional sweeteners or anything because we have it from our juices. And you're just gonna give this a nice stir. And of course, decorate that glass. Make this so pretty. Doesn't that look like a delicious, refreshing summer drink? I mean, that's beautiful. And it's perfect for National Refreshment Day. So, as always, if you try this, please let us know. I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for watching and have a great day.